Hello, everyone, and welcome to Groovy Duke, your channel for all things groovy-lang. If you find any of these videos useful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share so that more people can have a groovy day. So today we're going to be talking about default parameters. So I will get myself out of the way here, go down to the Groovy console, and we'll copy over some Java to start, or Java-like code anyways. And basically, this is what you would have to do in Java if you wanted to have like a default parameter within a method. So we have this particular method here, which we're sending email, which takes in an email address and a message, and all it's doing is actually printing out. We're not sending emails; just it's just for the example. And we also have this method, which takes in just the email address, and it has a default message, and this one calls the original method up here with the email address and the default message. So, and just to show you it running, so we'll run that. And this one we're sending in, an email address, and we're getting the default message because it's calling this version because of the way Java polymorphism works. And within this one, we're doing the same thing, but we're specifying the both parameters for it here and here. So it just calls this one; it doesn't call this one, and we get that message out. So that's the way to do it within Java. But within Groovy, we can actually simplify that a little bit. And let's paste over the Groovy example. And what you can see in the method signature here is we have the same email address, but for the message, after it, we have an equals and we have a default value. So what this does is if you do not specify this parameter, this default value will be used. So normally you want like things that have default values to come at the end of your method signature, so you can just leave them off and not have to specify things in between and whatnot. So with this, the same basic idea we had before is we're sending one in with the email and one in with the email and the message. And if I run this, and you can see that there's no difference from the original we had, but for the first one, we get the default message, which is the default message, and the second one we get the special message. And just so you can see that it is actually running, I'll change it a little, and you can see the default message changes. So this can be very useful so that you don't have to write a lot of extra code to get defaulted variables, which can be useful in some cases. And that's all I have for today. So have a groovy one.